y'all come out here and shop with Stack's Kitchen. We got the Blue Monkey Lemonade, we got the Mango Lemonade, got the Chocolate Caramel Cake. You better come get it. We got the Chitlin Bowl. I got a chitlin plate with spaghetti and everything. Come shop with them, y'all. Open from 11 to 4 o'clock. Come out here. All right, y'all. Stack's Kitchen review. Chitlin fire. Even bought an extra. Fire. And the Blue Monkey Lemonade fire. And the Mango Lemonade. Better go get you a plate. They open right now. Go get it.